A D81 file is a complete disk image of a Commodore 1581 3.5-inch floppy, a faithful digital preservation of vintage computing storage from the late 1980s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you mount, browse, or transfer files from these classic disk images. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted D81 files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. D8.1 files are disk image files representing Commodore 1581 3.5-inch floppy disks storing 800 kilobyte of data. They contain a complete sector-by-sector copy of the 1581's disk format used with Commodore 64 and Commodore 128 computers for program and data storage. Commodore D81 files store 80 tracks of 40 sectors each with 256 bytes per sector in raw binary format. They use the Commodore DOS file system with a directory track at track 40 and support subdirectories called partitions unique to the 1581 drive model. VICE, Versatile Commodore Emulator, is the standard set by the VICE team for accessing the D8.1 format. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows provides only limited details, so restoring or browsing the image requires dedicated software. We are going to check every application on the list. Right-click the D8.1 file and hit Open with Test VICE Versatile Commodore Emulator if present. If it fails, select another program. Remember, trial and error is expected. If your D81 file will not open yet, do not panic. Since this D81 format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, browsing contents. Use VICE, the Versatile Commodore Emulator, to access D81 disk images. In VICE, attach the D81 file via File, then attach disk image, then drive 8. Use the load. 8's command to list the disk directory and browse available files on the virtual disk. Next, extracting files. Use the cfin41 command line utility included with VICE to extract files from D81 images. Run cfin41, then attach diskname.d81. 8. Then extract file name to copy individual files from the disk image to your modern file system for inspection or conversion. Finally, using with real hardware. Transfer D81 files to real Commodore hardware using an SD2IEC or Ultimate I+ cartridge device. Copy the D81 file to an SD card and insert it in the device. Navigate to the D81 image on the device menu and mount it as a virtual 1581 drive for the Commodore computer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.